Hi, I'm Mr. John from Sonoma County Library, and I'm here to tell you about the August Take-A-Make project. This is Otto. Otto is the Sonoma County Library's official mascot, a North American river otter who loves to read. We know that most otters don't read books, but Otto is special. He grew up in a creek next to a library, and the librarians would have story times along the creek bank. Otters are curious, and when Otto was a pup, he would swim up behind the librarian, peek out from behind the willow trees, and look at the pictures while she read, until one day he realized he could connect the words with the pictures. Like many youngsters, Otto learned about the world from books, and now he wants all children to enjoy reading and embrace a world of learning. North American river otters, Lontra canadensis, are semi-aquatic mammals native to the North American continent. These cute critters can be found in and along Sonoma County waterways and coasts. If you sit next to the water and read aloud, you might find a curious river otter, just like Otto. So this month's Take-A-Make project is Otto, the river otter, who is going to be reading a book. And we give you this colorful sheet that you'll need scissors to cut out the pictures, the parts of the river otter body, and some tape, because we're going to have 4 popsicle sticks that will become his body that you glue the body parts onto. You'll get a brown marker to help color his body, and then you'll get a glue stick to glue the different parts of the body on, 2 mini clothespins to hold the book in his little paws, and finally a magnet that will adhere to the back of the popsicle stick so you can stick him up somewhere that you want to put him whenever he's reading. So let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is tape together our popsicle sticks. And we're going to lay layers of tape across the popsicle sticks so they'll hold together to become Otto's body. Now as we do this, we want to make certain they stay tight next to each other. You can use either 3 popsicle sticks or 4 popsicle sticks. I decided to use 4 popsicle sticks because that gives me a lot of space to play with his body parts that are going to attach to the popsicle sticks. So once I finish taping this, I'll flip it over so that I'll be able to start coloring my popsicle sticks to make his body. And as you can see, it's going to take a few moments to color in the body so that it looks like Otto's body colors. And you've got your brown marker to do this, and it takes a few minutes to do it, but once you get it done, it'll look real nice, and we'll be able to then start into the next step, which is we're going to cut out the different parts of Otto's body from the sheet of the different body parts. So we'll start with his legs, go to his head, his paws, his tail, the book, and the fish. I also have the magnet that'll go on the back of the popsicle sticks once we're finished gluing Otto's body parts onto the popsicle sticks. So then I'm laying out my body parts for Otto to see how they're going to look. And so I've got the legs and the tail kind of sitting in position, and I'm putting his head on, and I haven't decided on his paws yet. I need to think about that. And of course I have the mini clothespins to hold the book. So I'm going to try to decide in the next couple frames what to do with his paws. And so here's how I decided to position his hands. And so now I've got him holding the book on top of the mini clothespins. I'll put my magnet on the back of the popsicle sticks, and my completed project looks like this, and he's ready to be hanging from a refrigerator or some other metal object.